After removing the cover, this is Nokia C32. Then you remove the nails from the phone. Here we are going to replace the screen. It's all cracked, as you can see. It's totally cracked. Then we have to put a new one. This is Nokia C32. We put a new screen. Now you remove the nails for this, the down part of the sub motherboard. Then we remove these covers, these top covers. Then we unpin the battery. You first unpin the battery because once you remove the screen and removing the battery, sometimes it brings fault within these phones. So always make sure you first remove the battery before unpinning these. Then after that, we'll remove the battery from the frame. See? This is how we remove the battery. Remove this screen fiber, then we overturn the screen. We use a surgical to remove this screen. We clean, we do some simple cleaning within the frame. so that the new screen can be attached well within the frame. Install new screen for testing. You pin as well the downer part. To check if it's charging when you're installing a new screen on the phone. Then you put the battery for simple testing. You first put the screen before putting the battery. When you pin the screen before putting the battery, sometimes it brings faults within the phone. As you can see, there is no charger. Then we first charge a bit. As you can see, the battery was totally off. Nothing. We can check the screen if it's operating well, so we have to first charge and see if the screen that we are installing is good. Now the battery is already charged. As you can see, now we make the testing. Click on emergency to check if the screen is touching well and each number working nicely. As you can see, it's working. Then there you unplug the battery. You have to unplug the battery first before unplugging anything. The moment you unplug the screen, when you're going to uninstall the screen, sometimes it makes fault. After that, you remove the screen. Then we put the glue. This is the adhesive glue, multi-purpose adhesives, which we use. It's sort of gravity magic rubber we use to attach the screen to the frame. Then you apply here gently. As you can see how I'm doing it. After applying it, you let it to first dry a little bit, or you normally like do this so that it can dry very fast. When you install the screen, it becomes easier for you to be fully attached. Then after drying it, you attach the screen, you install the screen again to the phone. Wakambira omuntu akabura kucenga konkana bwena ninga kazikwezi kandi nakushoborera. Then here we pin the screen gently to the motherboard and the small board. After you pin the battery, then you install back these parts. Here you put back the names which you removed, as you can see. Then you put the cover for the sub board, for the small board on the downer part. When you don't put this, it's the one which connects the speaker on the down part, so you have to make sure you put it up to hold the small board. put back the cover.
Io